Hi. It has been a while, and a lot has changed, and a lot hasn't changed. So, I guess for the next 5 or so minutes, I will just kind of tell you guys what's been happening, and where I've been, and why it's been so long since I've, posted anything. Um, So let's start off with the beginning. Hi, I'm Iggy. I'm a visual artist that focuses on horror, fantasy, and comics at the moment. And I have been super busy. uh, I don't like to say that I'm busy because even when I am, it doesn't feel like I am. But I have been. I've been doing a lot. I've been working pretty hard to get my life in order, um, especially since my age has become like very quote unquote serious. I've been trying to, you know, figure myself out and figure out what I want to do. And in that time, I realized that what I really liked doing and what I do like to do is this. It's sitting behind my computer screen, editing videos and recording my art and streaming and whatnot. And in 2020, I kind of had moderate success with that, um, because everybody was on their computer. Everybody was like willing to sit behind a computer screen and just, watch along with me making stuff. It it's a strange time right now, not just in any one place, but across the globe. It seems to be very odd for everybody, and I can't, in good conscience, say that I'm not worried about making a choice like that, like going back to full time art. Um, as much as I love doing full time art, I really do. It's been the most fulfilling thing that I've done in my life. But unfortunately, bills, rent, transportation, medical care, food, everything just kind of started crashing down. If you didn't know, I have been living up and down the East Coast uh, for the last over 10 years. I grew up in New York, so I always consider myself a New Yorker, even though I've not been there for a while. Um, but that's spawn point for me. And moving all the way to the very southern part of the country kind of put a lot of things into perspective for me. Um, Especially that I am not emotionally or mentally fulfilled by living uh, down here. I have great friends. I'm making great friends. I'm having fun again. But in the 10 years that I haven't been home, uh, it kind of showed me like I used to be much more social and I used to do a lot more and I used to go places and talk to people. And I guess streaming and doing YouTube and just being an artist in this age of the internet kind of made that feel possible again. You know? Like it made it feel like I was able to, socialize and be one with the community again. Um but now I have a full-time job and I have to balance my desire for YouTube and my desire for streaming with my full-time job. And it's not too difficult, but there will be times where I'm just like, I can't do this. I need to rest. I'm very tired. Or I'm out doing something social, or just any of it. All of that is to say that hopefully in the rest of 2026, like I've said, in 2025, in 2024, in 2023, I will be able to come back to YouTube full time and be satisfied again, fulfilled again, and at least try to post once a week if I can. I'm also trying to take myself more seriously, like I've said in the past. Which, it's not that I don't take myself seriously, I do. It's just that I haven't taken my artwork seriously. So I'm gonna start doing more character design videos, prop design videos, more, just more things that'll make me happy. And build up my portfolio again. And, fingers crossed that I can get a job in a field that, is elating to me, I guess. Hopefully you watched all the way to the end. I know it's shorter than my usual videos, but I kind of had to roll with what I had prepared. So, much love. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.